Hello everybody, welcome to another vlog. I'm today at Tashkent in Uzbekistan, and I will show you everything. Today I will go to Tashkent Tower. It's a really famous tower here in Uzbekistan, and it's a television tower or something, but I will show you everything. I will go with the metro station, with the subway, and I will show you how I'm going with the subway and everything. So keep watching. So this is how the city looks like. We are now near it to the airport. It's like 7 till 10 minutes driving, and yeah, I will show you the subway, and yeah. Right now I bought the ticket. It was 1,400 Uzbekistan money. So right now we are in Ming-Orik. We need to go to Abdullayev or something. It's in Turkey. It's going to Turkestan. I'm now arrived at the Tashkent Tower. It's in front of me, and yeah, I will walk to that place now, and I will show you everything. It's a little bit cloudy, so you can't see it properly, but I will go to that place and I will show you. So I came to this place. Here's a television tower, and you got here this thing. And the people back here, I asked them what this means, but they can't speak English. Actually, nobody here can speak English. So yeah, I'm gonna try to find this out. What's this? So you got also here a road, and I see people walking there. They can walk a little bit like this, and you can follow, I think, the water. So here is the mosque, and here you got the monument. So right now I'm arrived at the tower, and the first thing what I can see, what I see is just all the towers of the world are here, and yeah, let's have a look of all the towers. So one ticket here is 35,000 Uzbekistan money. It's about €3, and yeah, it's really cheap here. So I'm now here inside, and they have all the towers here. I will show you. So this one is in Tokyo. I've visited this also in Tokyo, and it's the same like Eiffel Tower, but in another style and in another colors. So this one is in Netherlands, in Rotterdam. It's a really small tower. So I'm arrived at a place. This is actually not the upper's place. This is only the place where you can see the view. On the upper's place you have a restaurant, and there you can eat something. So I will show you also the upper place, but this is from the sixth level. So right now I'm sitting here, and I see that this place is going so round and round. This place is just turning round and round. It's going round and round. Just keep watching. I know it's really slow, but you can see that it's going round and round. As you can see, is the plane coming, you know, in front of me now. You can see I'm now here, so it's just going round and round. And this is the menu. Everything is in Russia, but they have here someone that can speak English, so he told me everything. Right now I'm going back to home. It's also really cold, and you got here also the tower. It's now a little bit beautiful, so I will show you.